I am. Affirmations for positive thinking, confidence, and success. Be your best self. The times of day that are most critical to changing your thought patterns are just before we sleep and just after we wake. In these moments, there are natural windows that open up into our subconscious. These are the critical times that we can reprogram our beliefs without the help of hypnosis or trance state, because the subconscious mind is still in theta state and open to rewriting its beliefs. I've designed these affirmations in a specific order so that you start by believing in yourself and progressing to seeing the great of your mind, the subconscious. As I repeat these affirmations, you may notice a certain change in your body or a reaction from your subconscious mind. Note for yourself which affirmations get the greatest reaction in you. I am blessed with this life. I am connected to my whole self. And I am in harmony with my entire being. I am unique. I am an incredible being. I am a beautiful soul. I am free to express the truth in me. I am centered in my truth. I am powerful. I am the creator of my reality. I am an excellent friend to myself. I am beautiful, inside and out. I am extraordinary. I am exceptional. I am embracing of all that I am. I am saying kind things to myself. I am bliss. I am joy. I am life. I am free. I am open-hearted. I am peace. I am love. I am living a meaningful life. And I am trusting life. I am loving the journey of life. I am learning from internal wisdom. I I am evolving and improving. I am listening to the voice within. I am getting better every day. I am exuding the light that I shine. I am flowing like liquid energy. I am carving reality with my thoughts and actions. I am living my purpose. I am strong enough to be all that I can be. I am deserving of the best. I am accepting that I create my reality. I am confident in myself. I am loving my uniqueness. I am talented. I am skilled. I am growing. I am a vessel of potentiality. I am worthy of all of my dreams. I am capable of achieving all of my goals. I am courageous. I am magnificent. I am aligned in my beliefs, words, and acts. I am integrity. I am aware of all that I am and all that I can be. I am felt in the universe. I am open to life's care of me. I am loved. I am counting my blessings. I am grateful. I am sending out the best expectations. I am expressing my wants. I am communicating my needs. I am in flow. I am always ready to accept the best. I am loving my life. I am moving in harmony with the rhythm of life. I am thankful. am achieving greatness. I am giving and receiving love. I am an inspiration to others. I am proud of who I am, for myself and for others. I am committed to be the best I can be. I am always living in inspiration. I am always improving. I am nourishing thoughts of growth. I am free of false limitations. I am focused only on progress. I am intelligent. I am exceptional in my strengths. I am making good decisions. I am discerning. I am knowledgeable. I am wise. I am making the most of every hour of my day. I am focused. I am a student of life. I am motivated. I am disciplined. I am patient. I am challenging the status quo. I am demanding the best from myself. I am patient in my evolution. I am healthy at all levels. I am strong in body. I am keen in mind. I am balanced in mind, body, and soul. I am nourishing my body as the vessel of my soul. I am feeding my mind the best education. I am nurturing my garden of thoughts. I am healthy. I am energized. I am relaxed. I am inspired. I am acting on inspiration. I am endlessly passionate about life. I am expressing the joy of life. I connect to my intuition. I am engaged with my guidance. I am manifesting ways forward. I am taking control of the direction of life. I am clear with my intentions. I am decisive in all actions. I am making the most of all opportunities. I am responsible for all my creations. I am connected to all as they are connected to me. I am emanating the highest vibrations. I am synchronicity. I am in rhythm with life. I am in the flow of source energy. I am the light. I am materializing my beliefs. I am persistent. I am determined to make the most of my life. I am patient. I am bold. I am brave. I am a part of the world's wisdom. I am walking towards my hopes. I am making dreams a reality. I am manifesting a better day every day. I am on the way to being my best self. I am evolving to my highest self.